Nyam Nyam have got some fantastic spooky recipes for you this Halloween. If you want to get creative and make something a bit fun and different, we've got this ghost strawberry cake lined up for you. Start with some fondant icing to make your decorations. We're going to roll out some white fondant icing and cut it into strips and then into little triangles. These are going to be teeth. When those are ready, you can get some brown fondant icing and use a little bit of water to stick on your white teeth. A row along the top and a row along the bottom. Perfect! Right, let's get our strawberries. We're just going to take a little indent out of one side and stick on your mouth. Push it in so it stays there, and there you have it, a spooky strawberry. Next, get your cake. We're using chocolate cake, and green buttercream icing is going to be layered with 3 layers of this chocolate cake. Then we can coat the outside in purple buttercream icing. You can use any colour you like, but we like bright green and purple. Yay! Drizzle on some green chocolate ganache so it looks like slime, something out of a Ghostbusters movie. Cover the top too. Perfect. Now you can pipe on a few little blobs of green buttercream icing. These are going to make wonderful cushions for your spooky strawberries. There you go. Ready to stick them on. Brilliant. Let's make it even more spooky by adding some fondant tentacles. That's right, looks kind of like an evil octopus, ready to break out of the cake. We've just shaped some black fondant icing and stuck on some white circles to those to look like tentacles. Super easy, really. And there you go. Bring out the spooky artist in you. Ooh, yum.